Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So in previous few of the videos we have solved many examples involving nth term formula in arithmetic progression, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now in this video and few more videos, let us solve the examples involving sum of n terms formula, that is Sn formula in AP. There are three formulae. The first formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Second formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus n, or Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l, where l stands for last term of the arithmetic progression. Then the third formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket n plus 1, or you can write this as Sn is equal to n into bracket n plus 1 upon 2. So this can also be written instead of writing n upon 2 into n plus 1. So both are one and same. So these three formulae can be applied to find the sum of n terms in the given examples in an arithmetic progression. The first formula can be applied when the example is having the common difference, that is d. Second formula is applied when there will be no common difference, only the first term and last term and the number of terms are given. So let us see how the examples can be solved by using these formulae. So let us take the first example. So example 1, find the sum of 12 terms in AP 2, 7, 12, so on. So this is the first example. Find the sum of 12 terms in arithmetic progression 2, 7, 12, so on. So solution. So A, the first term of the given arithmetic progression is 2, D is 7 minus 2 is equal to 7 minus 2 will be 5, n is equal to number of terms 12, and Sn is equal to question mark, or you may write S12 is equal to question mark. Now as in this example the value of d is there, therefore we have to apply the first formula, that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So therefore S12 is equal to, we are finding the sum of 12 terms, S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 into bracket 2 into bracket value of a is 2 plus n is 12, 12 minus 1 is 11 multiplied by value of d is 5, close the bracket. After substituting the values you simplify. 12's half will be 6 into bracket 2 2's are 4 plus 11 5's are 55, close the bracket. So this is equal to 6 into 55 plus 4 will be 59, and the product of 59 and 6, 59 multiplied by 6, it is coming up to 354. Hence the sum of first 12 terms in the given arithmetic progression is 355. Now let us see one more example. I will write second example. Find the sum of say 15 terms of AP, say 5, 10, 15, so on. So the given arithmetic progression is 5, 10, 15, so on, and we are asked to find the sum of 15 terms. So here A is equal to 5, okay, D is equal to 10 minus 5, that is again 5, and S15, sum of 15 term is equal to question mark. Now write formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. After writing formula, substitute the values. N is 15 upon 2 into bracket 2 into simple bracket value of a, that is 5, plus n 15 minus 1 is 14 into 5, close the bracket. Okay, next this is equal to 15 is an odd number, cannot be completely divisible by 2, so maintain as it is, don't divide it by 2, don't write 7.5, write it as 15 upon 2 itself, into bracket 2 5s are 10 plus 14 5s are 70. Now this is equal to 15 upon 2 into 10 plus 70 will be 80. Now this 80 is an even number, it is completely divisible by 2, 2 1s are 2, 40s are. Now the product of 15 and 40 will be the sum of 15 terms of arithmetic progression 5, 10, 15. So 15 40s are, it will be 600. Therefore S15 is equal to 600 is the answer or the solution for this particular example. So in this way, the first formula of Sn in arithmetic progression, that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, can be applied to solve the examples. So dear students, let us solve 2 more examples, but before that 3 examples I have written on the board as a homework. Now the first example is find the sum of 20 terms in arithmetic progression 3, 6, 9, so on. The next one is find S13, that is sum of 13 terms in an arithmetic progression 7, 9, 11, so on. And the fifth one example, or the third one, is in an AP, if a is equal to 12, that is first term, and common difference is 6, find S25, that is sum of 25 terms. You please solve these 3 examples. Now coming to the next example, find the sum of 22 terms of arithmetic progression 8, 3, minus 2, so on. Now here solution, a is equal to 8, that is first term, then common difference 3 minus 8, next term minus preceding term 3 minus 8, that is plus 3 minus 8 will be minus 5, and minus 5 is the value of common difference here, and sum of 22 terms is equals to question mark. Formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values in the next step. 22 upon 7 into bracket 2 multiplied by the value of a is 8 plus 21, 22 minus 1 will be 21 into the value of d is minus 5. Simplify this, 22 divided by 2 is 11 into bracket 2 8s are 16 minus plus minus will be minus 21 5s are 105. In the next step, 11 into plus 16 minus 105 will be minus 89. The difference of 105 and 16 will be 89, and as 105 has got minus sign, so the value of 16 minus 105 will be minus 89, and the product of 11 and minus 89 will be minus 979. So this minus 979 is the sum of 22 terms of arithmetic progression 8, 3, minus 2, so on. Now coming to one more example, find S12, that is sum of 12 terms in the arithmetic progression minus 37, minus 33, minus 27, so on. So here the value of A is minus 37, okay, value of D minus 33 minus of minus 37. So minus 33 as it is, minus of minus is plus, plus 37, and minus 33 plus 37 will be plus 4, and that is 4 is the value of common difference, and the sum of 12 terms is equals to question mark. Same formula we are applying. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitution of the values, 12 upon 2 into bracket 2 multiplied by a is minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 will be 11 multiplied by value of d is 4. So then the next step, 12's half will be 6 into bracket 30 minus 37 2's will be minus 74, then plus 11 4's 44, 6 as it is. Okay, now minus 74 plus 44 will be minus 30, and the product of 6 and minus 30 will be minus 180. So in this way, minus 180 will be the sum of 12 terms in the arithmetic progression, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, so on. So in this way, we have seen how the formula, Sn formula, that is the first formula of sum of n term, that is n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, can be applied to solve the examples. Now in the next video, we shall be solving some more examples based on the same formulae, and later we'll be shifting on to the next two formulae. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus l, or Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket a plus an, and the last one is sigma n is equal to, or Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. Thank you.